There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I want.
こう間が空いちゃってますけどね。切ってきました。よいしょ。
まだ屋根のこの上の方のたるきの間とか
あっという間にここ4つできましたね。 この端材置き場も一気に片付きました。だいぶ少なくなりました。ここもうハムのせ目玉焼きです。醤油をかけていきます。いただきます。よいしょ。あれ、こっちだ。よし。 雨が降ってきちゃったので、今日はちょっともうこれ以上カットは外でできないですね。あ、どうしようか、向こうから持ってくる。